IIFL dashboard already open with us. We're gonna go ahead and try and see the IIFL. So as you have joined in with an as an IFC with Credit Bharat, you'll come on this particular portal. There's an ID that has been created for you, which is called the IIFL dashboard. Now, as you will enter your number here, so let's say I enter my number and I will ask for the OTP. In that case, it's 2694272694227. So here we are inside the IIFL dashboard. So we're gonna come to the users. We're gonna ask for create a PL, right? So as soon as you will select create a PL or create a BL, right? So in that particular case, you gotta understand a couple of things right here. Okay. So the first and foremost thing is, let's say if any customer for IIFL specifically, there is no such thing as salaried or business people. Where IIFL is simply looking for that if you need a loan up to 5 lakhs rupees, you can put in something which is called a PL category. If the customer is having an average banking balance of 5,000 rupees, you can simply go ahead and try to make the case from there. And if the customer will require more than 5 lakh rupees, then you can simply come here and create a new link and create a BL segment, right? And you can go up to 30 lakhs rupees from the BL segment from IIFL specifically. Okay. Now, the IFL usually don't require a lot of documents. So if you're going for a BL segment, right? So in that case, you're gonna have a business proof as a vintage proof, which is required. But for the PL segment, there is no salary slip or UN number, nothing like that required. Only a PAN card, Aadhaar card, and average banking balance of 5,000 rupees. That is required. So we're gonna go ahead and apply for the loan of the customer. You're gonna enter the number of the customer. Okay, let's say it's 600619413, and we're gonna verify the mobile number. So the customer will get an OTP, which you actually have to enter in here. So in that case, we have 493603. 493603. And we gonna verify this OTP. As soon as the OTP will get verified, the customer PAN card number needs to be entered here. Let's say DDIPR2493J. And we're gonna enter ravneet.nas@gmail.com. And we're gonna go ahead with next. Now here comes the catch. See, for IFL specifically, the PIN code is a very rigorous thing, which has been very much required. Okay, so there's a list of PIN code which you need to enter in order to actually process that case, or else the case will actually got rejected. So let's say we enter a PIN code. Let's say if a customer who's living in a certain PIN code, and that particular PIN code is not in the list of IFL. So what we're gonna go ahead and simply do is we're gonna select the closest possible PIN code to the listed PIN code into the list. Okay. So here, let's say I live in 8,000, 8 lakh and 8. However, 8 lakh and 8 is not operational in IFL. So we can go ahead and actually enter here 8 lakh and 20, which is operational in IFL. So if we go ahead and then we can enter. So it asks for the OTP in order to pull out my civil. So customer need to enter OTP once again, 169649. 169649. So this is how the IFL will actually fetch the report, and it will give the reason. So I have a bad civil, to be very true, because I have a couple of write-ups in here. You can come to the dashboard. You can refresh this page and you can actually see the reason for the rejection for any customer. If any of the case will actually get qualified, in that particular case, you can also see in here. Okay. So it's about unserviceable PIN code. Okay. So as per IFL, this particular PIN code is unserviceable. So as per their last revision policy, 8 lakh 20 was actually operational, but I guess for this particular matter, it's not unserviceable. So whenever you log in any file into IFL, just trying to make sure that particular file is actually serviceable to the pin code, or if not possible, trying to enter the pin code which is out there in the listing. Once the case will get approved, just simply reach out to me and I'll help you by connecting with SM in order to disburse those kind of cases. Thank you so much, IFCs. Hope you will push the login process hard, and we're going to have a lot of disbursements down the line. Thank you.